Welcome to the world of succulents. Succulents are fascinating plants that have captured the hearts of many. They come in many shapes, sizes, and colors, each with its own unique charm and character. Succulents are very popular, especially with new gardeners who are just starting their plant journey. But why are they such a favorite among plant enthusiasts? One reason is that succulents are incredibly easy to care for and very hardy. They can tolerate a bit of neglect, making them perfect for beginners who might forget to water their plants occasionally. Once you learn the basics, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to grow beautiful, thriving succulents that can brighten up any space. Succulents have a unique ability to store water in their leaves, stems, and roots, which helps them survive in harsh conditions. This adaptation allows them to thrive in dry climates where other plants might struggle. Their unique appearance and low-maintenance nature make them ideal for indoor and outdoor gardens, terrariums, and even as decorative elements in homes and offices. They add a touch of greenery and elegance to any setting. Whether you have a green thumb or are new to gardening, succulents are a rewarding and enjoyable addition to any space. They bring life, color, and a sense of tranquility to your environment, making them a perfect choice for everyone. Sunshine and fresh air. Perfect conditions for your succulent. Succulents are unique plants that have adapted to thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. To replicate these conditions at home, it's essential to provide them with the right amount of sunlight and air circulation. Succulents thrive in bright light. They are sun-loving plants that need plenty of light to maintain their vibrant colors and compact shape. Without enough light, they can become leggy and lose their charm. They need at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. This can be achieved by placing them in a sunny spot, such as a windowsill or a well-lit room. If you live in a region with limited sunlight, consider using grow lights to supplement their light needs. A south-facing window is an ideal spot for indoor succulents. This orientation provides the most consistent and intense light throughout the day, which is perfect for these light-loving plants. If you're growing succulents outdoors, choose a location that receives ample sunlight throughout the day. Outdoor succulents can benefit from the natural light cycle, which helps them grow strong and healthy. However, be mindful of scorching afternoon sun, which can sometimes be too intense even for these sun-loving plants. Providing some shade during the hottest part of the day can prevent sunburn and stress. Well-draining soil is crucial for healthy succulents. These plants are adapted to arid environments where water drains quickly, preventing root rot. Use a cactus or succulent potting mix that allows water to drain quickly. This type of soil mimics their natural habitat and ensures that their roots stay dry and healthy. You can also create your own mix by combining regular potting soil with perlite or sand to improve drainage. This custom mix can be tailored to your specific succulent's needs. Remember, soggy soil is a recipe for root rot, which can be detrimental to your succulent's health. Always ensure that your succulents are planted in well-draining soil to keep them thriving. Caring for your succulents, easy does it. Watering succulents is simple and straightforward. These resilient plants have adapted to thrive in arid conditions, so they don't need frequent watering. They don't need much water. Let the soil dry out completely between waterings. This mimics their natural habitat where they experience periods of drought. When watering, do it thoroughly until water drains from the pot's drainage holes. This ensures that the roots get enough moisture without becoming waterlogged. Avoid getting water on the leaves, as this can lead to fungal diseases. Water sitting on the leaves can create a breeding ground for mold and other harmful pathogens. Fertilize your succulents during their growing season, which is typically spring and summer. This is when they are actively growing and can benefit the most from the added nutrients. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer diluted to half strength. This prevents over-fertilization, which can be harmful. Fertilize once a month during this period. Regular feeding helps maintain healthy growth and vibrant colors. In winter, succulents enter a dormant phase and don't require any fertilizer. During this time, they rest and conserve energy. Over-fertilizing can lead to salt buildup in the soil and harm your plants. It's important to follow the recommended guidelines to keep your succulents thriving. Avoiding common pitfalls. One common mistake is overwatering. Succulents are drought-tolerant and don't need frequent watering. Overwatering can lead to root rot, one of the most common problems encountered by beginners. Always check the soil moisture before watering and only water when it's completely dry. Another mistake is not providing enough light. Succulents need plenty of bright, indirect light to thrive. If they don't receive enough light, they can become leggy and weak. If you notice your succulents stretching towards the light source, it's a sign that they need more light. Happy growing. Growing succulents is a rewarding experience. With the right care, these resilient plants will thrive and bring you joy for years to come. Remember the basic principles of proper watering, adequate sunlight, and well-draining soil, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident succulent parent. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn as you go. Happy growing.